ang ating cowboy, cowgirl ngayong araw. Monkey.
Wait, jump down.
No way.
Yes.
It's not flat.
They're making, or they're putting the bird. What do you call that? Wow, look at the bird. I cannot see on my phone. Oh, there you go.
Come on, your dog is
They're already coming. Coming. They smell the feeds.
Do you see the sound of the bird?
Bird house? Ano bang tawag dito? Bird feeder.
Feathers, yeah. Ready?
Yes.
Oh. Lahat na ito may tanim.
Tinamnan mo na?
Gladiola, dahlia, lily.
Oh, paramihin mo yung dahlia mo. You're happy with your bird feeder?
Yeah.
There the bird coming.
I want the bird to come in here.
The thing is they're going to poo all here. Sa tingin mo kaya ka naman niyang i-hold yan. Bakit gumagalaw ba? Sige, punta ka na.
No.
Saan anong gusto mo yung? Kukunin mo lang naman din yan. No?
Yeah, you need to fill this one. Where is that? I don't know how to open this.
Ala, 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 ala.
Oh. Now I know. It's here. Oh,
There
yeah.
you go.
Fine.
Lily, can you get another bag, small bag of feeds there? We can mix it from here.
Feeds, another kind of feeds?
Yeah.
Wow. And how much is that one bag of feeds?
I think this one is 12 bucks.
Oh my gosh.
We have a big container.
Oh
It's in the
my
back, but
gosh.
it's the kind of...
Okay, now I'm getting back in the tree.
What is that?
This is the black teasel.
Black diesel.
I don't know what that means.
Black diesel. Favorite American gold finch. Oh. Spending money, you guys.
Kasi masarap kasi daw pakinggan yung...
Oh, they like the sound of the
Sa
birds.
umaga,
Oh, okay, yeah.
Then how? How to put this? If everything's...
There, yeah. Just put it down, maybe.
And then what if... Let's see.
Try.
Oh gosh.
Oh, but they're spinning out.
I know, that's why I'm asking you. How they put this?
Oh no. Maybe just like that. Just let it spill like that. Just slowly, slowly. Oh no. What a waste.
Actually, it's all waste here. I just try to wipe it out because
You're right.
this one, it's full, but then the squirrel came
Oh my.
and then, you know,
yeah.
keep on wasting this
So it's
one.
not only birds that you're
Not only
feeding.
birds. That's why we changed. That's why he bought that fishing line thingy.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Or-
yeah. So you're going to change also this rope here.
Yeah. So there's no reason. How? No, I
But you should be kind also to squirrels, not to birds only.
That's why we're gonna go to Home Depot to
Yeah.
buy some nuts for the squirrel.
Oh, okay.
See, we love animals.
You're animal lovers.
Oh, guess what? When I was here,
You're watching the birds?
yeah, that's what, Rena. When I was here,
Yeah.
birds went there.
This one needs to be like 4 times, I think.
Mm-hmm. To be durable.
Possible.
Not possible? How come? Short?
Let's say short.
Look at that bird there. Oh, the bird is there already.
You
Oh,
see, it's nice to hear the sound. Just
Look.
talk to my family. I love them.
oh, we just put this one and this. The bird came. Oh, wow, look at that. And look at this monkey girl here. Trying her best.
How can I get from there?
You can. Be a monkey.
I Two.
Tingin ka dito.
We change. We do
Look
this
at this
at the same time.
feeder, bird feeder. Oh, the design. Here. What about this? What is this? Water?
Nectar.
Nectar. What is nectar?
Nectar for the
Hummingbirds.
drink.
Water? Oh, drink. What's like a juice?
Yeah. Lily, give me the blue
Blue feather.
feathers.
Bird feeder.
So there's a lot. Look at this.
Yeah.
Blue feather.
Here you go. Look at this.
Well, all the upstairs, Lily, you're not helping me.
Now they're putting again another bird feeder.
What do I hold?
Just hold the leg of that ladder. Here, yes.
Lily, are you holding it?
But don't move.
Stop moving. I'm gonna
Face plant.
have a heart attack.
You can do that.
You see, it's for the kids, but nobody.
Back, I never see back wood.
Okay, ready?
One,
This is how you make sibak-sibak na kahoy, okay? 1,
2, 3.
3, go.
Oh, wow.
Ouch!
Now I will show you.
And then,
I make another stroke.
oh, wow. What about if it is in the center?
No, it doesn't matter. Just, if you are trying to
Then
start the
I
fire,
Oh.
you're gonna use small pieces of this.
Oh.
Lily, no.
No for you. Oh, wow. You're very good in doing that.
With this one, you can start the fire. With this. And then, put it here.
Okay. Wow. Look at this. Huh? Bowl. Big
Yeah.
bowl.
You put the small pieces of papers there, and
Are
start
you
it
gonna start a
there, and
fire?
put the fire. No, we're not gonna use the fire today.
This is very good. Yeah, the weather is good today. Oh my goodness. Wait. Oh my god. Yay!
See?
Oh my gosh.
Told ya.
Hindi ba talagang walang experience ah? This is dangerous, Lily. I guess it's
Done
not.
it.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm afraid to do it. Ito natin in the center. Oh my goodness, this
What are
job.
you doing?
Oh, there
Yeah,
you go.
that's it. Very good. Very good.
Yay! Then going to the here.
Then put it there.
I do one.
We had a mess here.